Hello everyone, welcome to Nirja Education. This is class 9, lesson number 5, the fundamental unit of life. This is my 5th video. Before seeing this video, please go through my previous videos, then only you will get the connectivity. At the same time, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Here in this video, we are going to discuss on the types of cell. Why I am keeping the types of cell in between means this is very important because the cells are divided the main component of the nucleus. So after teaching nucleus, immediately I started the types of cell. The types of cell based on the nuclear structure, it is classified into two types. One is prokaryotic cell, another one is eukaryotic cell. There are the two types, prokaryotic cell, another one is eukaryotic cell. What is the word meaning of prokaryotic? Pro means primitive or first. First or primitive. Karyot means nucleus. This is a scientific term. Karyot means nucleus. So here the nucleus is present but it does not have a complete nucleus. So nucleus normally covered by a nuclear membrane, but here the prokaryotic organism nucleus is present but without a nuclear membrane. So that is the main differences for prokaryote as well as eukaryote. So pro means first or primitive, karyot means nucleus. Here the nucleus is present without a nuclear membrane. At the same time, prokaryotic organisms are called, those who are the organism in this category, those organisms are called prokaryotes. Clear? Prokaryote means the organism which depends upon this category. Next one is, what are those organisms? Means mostly bacteria, amoeba and certain fungi like yeast. All the fungi are not prokaryote, certain fungi, that is that yeast, bread mold, etc. Then another one, algae also, some of the algae also in this category like Chlamydomonas and BGA. BGA means blue-green algae. These all are example of prokaryotes. Right? The next one is the prokaryotes does not have cell organelles. Cell organelles means we will discuss next video also. But what is cell organelle means? Small organ-like structure which embedded on the cytoplasm. That cell organelles are, most of the cell organelles are absent in prokaryote, but except ribosome and mesosome. These two cell organelles are present. Suppose this is algae means plast is also present. So plastid, ribosome and mesosome, except these all remaining all organelles are absent. This is the main. Next we are going to discuss about eukaryotic cell. Eu means true. Eu means true. Karyotes means as usual nucleus. Here true nucleus is present because the nucleus is having the complete structure with the nuclear membrane, nucleopore, nucleoplasm, chromatin fibers and everything is present. So that is the reason here we are telling it's a eukaryotic cell. Those organisms are called eukaryotes. So what is eukaryotes means? Those who are the organism having complete nucleus. Right? Here those who are the organisms are eukaryote means it is not like that, like prokaryotes only unicellular. Here some of the unicellular and all multicellulars are come under the category of eukaryotic animal or eukaryotic organism. Example, plants, animals, certain fungi like mushroom, penicillin, etc. Algae, everything is come under the category of eukaryote. Prokaryote means what? Only strictly unicellular organism. But in eukaryote, certain unicell also and all the multicellular organism also come under the category of this eukaryotic type. Next one is, here complete nucleus is present, I told already. At the same time, all kind of cell organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, ribosome, etc. These all kind of cell organelles are present. basically the prokaryotic cells are smaller in size because it is a unicellular organism. We can't see our naked eye. We need to see under the microscope. They are basically small in size. Eukaryotic organism basically bigger in size. Here the nucleus does not contain nuclear membrane. That nucleus is called nucleoid. What we call? Nucleoid. Nucleoid means nucleus without a nuclear membrane. That is called nucleoid. And all the cell organelles are absent except ribosome and mesosome and plastid. Plastid only for blue-green algae. That is called cyanobacteria. Blue-green algae is also called cyanobacteria. Right? Then here multicellular and unicellular also present in eukaryote. Complete nuclear structure present. Generally the cell size are bigger than the prokaryotic cell. Size is bigger. All kind of cell organelles are present and many chromosomes also present. Here compare than prokaryote, eukaryote having number of chromosome is more. Here number of chromosome is less. I hope you have understood. Next video we will discuss about cell organelle and its function. Thank you.